How to survive when you hit an electric pole. Imagine driving on a rainy night. The road is wet and visibility is poor. Suddenly your car slides and hits an electric pole. Sparks flash and smoke rises. Your heart races as you realize power lines are above you. What you do next can decide whether you live or die. Do not panic. Stay calm and think clearly. If live power lines have fallen on your car, they may be carrying deadly current. The metal body of the car conducts electricity. But inside the car, you are safer because it acts like a Faraday cage. Do not rush to get out. Take a deep breath and stay still. Turn off the ignition if you can reach it safely. Avoid touching any exposed metal parts. Look around through the windows. Can you see wires on the ground? Are they touching the car or sparking? If yes, stay exactly where you are. Pick up your phone carefully without touching metal. Call emergency services immediately. Tell them, I hit an electric pole, lines are down, I'm inside the car. Give your exact location. If other people come close, warn them loudly. Shout, stay back. Don't touch the car. The wires are live. Electricity can travel more than 30 feet through wet ground. Anyone who touches the car or steps near fallen wires can die instantly. Keep windows closed and wait for professionals. Only trained firefighters or electric company crews can make the scene safe. If your car is not burning, stay inside until help arrives. Do not step out even if you think the wires are not sparking. Electric current is invisible and silent. Moving outside could complete the circuit through your body. But if you see smoke or fire, you must escape carefully. Unbuckle your seatbelt. Open the door slightly without touching metal. Stand on the edge of the car frame. Jump out with both feet together. Do not let any part of your body touch the car and the ground at the same time. Land with your feet close together. Shuffle away slowly, keeping your feet close for at least 30 feet. This bunny hop or shuffle prevents electric current from passing through your legs. Once you are far away, call emergency services again. Warn anyone nearby to stay away from the scene. Do not try to move wires or poles. Do not return to the car until power workers say it is safe. Even if the wires look quiet, they can still be live. After the danger has passed, get medical help if needed. Shock, burns, or hidden injuries can appear later. Have your vehicle inspected before using it again. Learn from the experience and share what you know. Keep emergency phone numbers in your car. Carry a first aid kit and flashlight. Drive slower in rain or fog. Avoid distractions and keep both hands on the wheel. Remember, 1 second of carelessness can change your life. If power lines are down, stay in, stay calm, stay safe. Knowledge saves lives. Share this message so others can survive too. Stay alert, stay alive.